Hi guys, welcome back to the video. It's Jenna, and today we are doing bracelets. Now, as you know, we got this from Michael's. We got this from the Crafty Sensei's house. And today we are making friendship bracelets. Today I have one for Nadia, my bestest of all bestest friends. She likes the color blue, black, and white, so I did those. As always, I have to make one for me. So I did purple, black, and white. Colors of Galaxy, even though it's not all. Anyway, let's get on to the video. So we're using Stretchy Cord, you know, the stretchy stuff. And we're doing it 6.5 inches. I had to redo Nadia's because something happened. So that's why it's in there for now, so we're going to do with mine. And I think we're going to go like this, and we're going to cut right here. So take this thing, the boobob, and we're going to put it there. It's in there, I think. Yeah, it's in there. And now we can put the beads on it. You know, you're gonna be like, Jenna, why do you have two the same there? It's not perfect. That's where the knot's gonna be. So I'm starting off with one of these, and now you can watch me as we put the beads on. This thingy is to stop the beads from going down. It's amazing, you should buy it. I don't know where we got it, probably at Michael's. Okay, so after 15 million hours, we finally are close to the end. So now once we're done, we're going to tie a knot, and then we're going to put some bead glue on it. Of course, you might be able to get this at Michael's. Michael's is a very non-cheap store, but also is amazing. Remember, this video is not sponsored. So now I'm gonna tie it in double knots, so I'll be right back. After tying it, no Crafty Sensei helped me, and we are gonna use this glue, but I suggest you using a parent for it. We put on the glue, and we knotted it again. Now we're putting on the finer glue. So you're gonna want to do this because you don't want the glue getting on the beads. Because like if this ever breaks, I don't think you want to. And we are going to cut it. Please cut it, random person. We did it! I have made the starting of the friendship bracelet for me and Nadia. See? Isn't it pretty? Now we're gonna cut Nadia's. So Nadia, if you're watching, I hope you like it. Right here.
Cut.
There.
There you go.
And now we have Nadia's. See, we're twins. It's so good. Nadia, if you're watching, I hope you like it. Cause see, look, we're gonna be twins. And if we're not in the same class, we'll be able to see each other through a secret code on it. So this is the final touch. Isn't it pretty? Make sure, if you guys want to see more of these videos, like, comment, subscribe, click the bell notification down below so you can see every video that we post. We'll try to post once a month. So remember, like, subscribe, click the bell notification down below so you can see every video that we post. Bye guys!